If you're a tech enthusiast, you need to hear this. House is built in 24 hours. It's real. Engineers have cracked the code of rapid construction with 3D printing technology. These futuristic homes are printed layer by layer, using a special concrete mix. The best part? They're eco-friendly and cost-effective. Imagine moving into a brand new, custom-designed house in just 24 hours. The future of housing is here, and it's mind-blowing. Don't miss out on this tech revolution. Subscribe for more amazing innovations.